Your Google Business Profile (GBP) cover photo is the primary visual representation of your business online. It's the first image potential customers see on Google Search and Maps, so it's crucial for making a strong first impression. Think of it as your digital storefront. It should immediately convey your brand identity, ambiance, and what you offer. It enhances discoverability in local searches by as much as 20 to 30%. For optimal display in 2026, aim for a 16:9 aspect ratio with dimensions of 1080 by 608 pixels. This format works best with modern screens and mobile devices. While 4:3 aspect ratio, such as 1200 by 900 pixels, is still compatible for backward compatibility, 16:9 is recommended for the best viewing experience on current devices. Keep your file size under 75 MB to ensure smooth uploads and quick loading. Acceptable formats include JPG, PNG, and WebP for high-quality images. Video covers are also supported, with a maximum length of 30 seconds. This format is trending for higher engagement, especially for restaurants and events. Begin by accessing your Google Business Profile. You can use either the mobile app or the web portal to get started. Once logged in, locate the Photos section in your dashboard. From there, click on Cover Photo to begin the upload process. You have several options to upload. Drag and drop your image directly onto the upload area, select from your device, or connect your Google Photos account for seamless integration. Finally, take advantage of Google's enhanced AI tools, powered by Gemini AI, which suggest edits to optimize your cover photo for better visibility across devices. Start with high-resolution images that are well lit. This ensures your cover photo looks crisp and professional, drawing in potential customers effectively. Showcase your business effectively by selecting images that capture your unique offerings and create a positive first impression for visitors. Incorporate branding elements like your logo to reinforce brand recognition, but avoid excessive text overlays as Google's system may flag them for moderation. Ensure your image is mobile responsive, scaling properly on phones and tablets to maintain quality and appeal across all devices. Consider using photos of your storefront, team members, or your most popular products and services to give customers a real sense of your business. Natural lighting is always a plus, as it makes your images look more vibrant and creates a warm, inviting atmosphere for potential customers. The most common mistake when uploading cover photos is copyright infringement. Google's guidelines require that you only use images you own or have obtained proper permission to use. Copyright infringement has 4 key elements: originality, which means the work must be creative; fixation, meaning it's captured in a tangible form; violation, which occurs when you use it without authorization; and ownership, requiring that someone holds the rights. Using copyrighted images can lead to your photo being rejected or even account suspension. Another critical mistake is uploading inappropriate content. Google's inappropriate content policy, updated in 2026, clarifies sensitive events as unforeseen occurrences that significantly risk the platform's ability to provide high-quality information. Examples include civil emergencies, natural disasters, and acts of terrorism. You must avoid content that exploits these events for commercial gain, such as driving traffic using related keywords or making claims that victims are responsible for their tragedies. Such violations can result in immediate rejection and potential account penalties. Google's algorithms actively monitor all uploads using AI technology. This includes checking for copyright violations, inappropriate content, and other policy breaches. If an image is flagged as non-compliant, it will be rejected immediately, preventing it from appearing on your profile. In cases of repeated violations or severe infractions, this can escalate to temporary or permanent account suspension. To avoid these issues, always carefully review Google's business profile guidelines before uploading any content. Always review Google's official guidelines before uploading. The platform provides detailed rules on image formats, sizes, and acceptable content. For example, recommended dimensions are 1080 by 608 pixels with a 16:9 aspect ratio for optimal display. Use high-resolution images that are branded and relevant to your business. Avoid text overlays, ensure mobile responsiveness, and follow accessibility guidelines. The image and video cheat sheet is a valuable resource for understanding these requirements. If you believe your image was flagged in error, you can appeal the decision through the Google Business Profile dashboard. Navigate to your Business Profiles list, select the affected profile, and look for the Appeals option under Moderation Decisions. Provide details about why you believe the flagging was incorrect, and Google will review your case. Successful appeals can restore your image and prevent future issues. Google's AI-powered tools can optimize your cover photos automatically. They suggest cropping, enhancements, and even seasonal themes to boost performance. These tools provide automatic cropping suggestions to fit different devices perfectly. They enhance images for better visibility and recommend seasonal themes tailored to your business. In late 2025, Google introduced features where you can upload raw images. The platform then suggests edits for better visibility across devices. AI-generated cover photos are becoming more popular for creating personalized themes. They allow businesses to generate custom visuals quickly. However, make sure AI-generated content aligns with your brand identity and avoid spreading misinformation. Always review and verify your images. Don't set it and forget it. Regularly monitor your Google Business Profile insights to see how your cover photo is performing. This dashboard shows key metrics like searches, clicks, and reviews that help you understand what's working. Update your cover photo regularly, seasonally to match current themes when introducing new products or services, or simply to refresh your brand image. This winter special sale cover demonstrates seasonal updates that can boost engagement. For brand refreshes, consider professional designs like this corporate cover that conveys your business identity. As artificial intelligence evolves, expect predictive photo suggestions tailored to your business type and customer data, making updates even easier. Remember, a well-maintained cover photo contributes to a positive online presence and increased customer interaction. Regular monitoring and updates ensure your business stays competitive and engaging.